During the demolition works of the berth here in Port Kembla, there's risks of introducing sediments from that work into the water column. That can have a huge on-flow effect into the marine environment. So it's critical that all those contaminants, any that may enter the water, are contained within a secluded area. Hi, my name is Tim Johnson. I'm the COO of Commercial Diving Services. Commercial diving services have been providing solutions to the marine industry for over 65 years. So when we were approached by Avcon Projects and Liberty Industrial, we were very confident that we could help them. The scale of the project was quite large, so we had to upscale a lot of the infrastructure that we were providing to them to ensure the durability of the product was going to withstand the duration of the project. The project is expected to span over 6 to 8 months, so in the harsh marine saltwater environment, it's critical that the elements, equipment that we put into the water can withstand that harsh saltwater environment. So the floating siltation boom is made up of a filtration geotech style fabric. It actually suspends in the water column and is suspended from a flotation chamber that sits on the surface. That siltation curtain is suspended right down into the water column, some metres, allowing any sediments that are floating within that water column to be caught and filtered and stopping any of that product going further into the harbour. Through this system, we're able to ensure that the harbour is maintained as a clean state. It also ensures compliance for that contractor throughout this project, and it's quite a sensitive project operating in a port. The port actually takes very seriously their environmental position, that they've been able to bring this harbour to a very high standard of water quality. They have strict, stringent requirements on all operators within the port to ensure that everybody does their bit to keep the waterway clean. So we have a duty of care to ensure that we can, and we will, provide a solution that will meet the requirements of the Port Authority that operate and own this beautiful port that we're working in, but also we have a duty of care to ensure that we're doing the right thing to the environment at all times. A large silt boom barrier of this nature can affect the shipping operations of the port if it's not thought out correctly. The large coal ships and iron ore ships, car carriers, etc. that come into this port require a large turning circle. We were very close to that turning circle zone, so it was crucial that we employed the right people to assist us in plotting the locations to ensure that we were outside of that exclusion zone and we were not going to affect the operations of the port in a negative way. At Commercial Diving Services, we're grateful for the team that we have behind us. The great work ethics and attention to detail that our team members provide our clients is second to none. All the parties were really appreciative that CDS was able to provide a solution to their demolition project. And more importantly, we were able to ensure that the waterways remain clean. CDS actually owns all its own equipment. This is a great advantage for our customers because we're able to mobilise promptly and efficiently and safely to be able to complete our projects on time. We run ISO systems to ensure the safety and quality and delivery of our services are maintained through every single project. For more information on commercial diving services and what we can do for you, please get in contact with us via our website.